Amaizi aganigija kuhwera abantu barikurenga 2,000 okurugumbi arabiri na kimwe mu district ya Kabarore kandi gakozirwa hansi y'entebekanisa eya Local Economic Growth Support.
Yatekanize n'abantu ba Mugusu betekanize n'obwebembezi bwa Mugusu betekanize okorora ngo twarolera amaizi ganu kandi amaizi ganu gaba go businguzi. Okubanza ekintu ekindi kumanyango abataka bataha nibenda kutunga amaizi kandi amaizi amarungi kandi amaizi agarukumara.
Eni ya kabiri yakaba Kyakijara village. Negejayo betunagamana. Negejayo nagamana ko kibiga nakongaga gawo. Betunabo nabanza kusiba jensi ezindi then gasobora kujyayo.
Also as a cluster team leader, I would like to emphasize on the importance of operation and maintenance. The project is phasing out, next is closing in the next 5 days. So you will not be seeing us, but the project has to go on.
Omukoro gwo kutongoza amaizi agagukurirwe Minister wa Government z'ebyanga kandi umunyeshengero kazaha wa district ya Kabarore Victoria Businge Rusoke.
Open. But what is the contractor? Contractor, do your work. You are not a hybrid contractor, you are contracted by the Ministry of Local Government. And I want to assure you, never be overconfident. I don't know where you are deriving your confidence from. To feel you have enough strength, these things I want to tell you have not reached the president yet. And they will reach there.
Omuganda project ya Local Economic Growth Support eriyo neza kutandika mu district ya Shema kandi tebekanisibwe kuhwera abantu 800 okubasya obuhereza bw'entunguka.
We are looking at warehousing, we are looking at water for production. One of the challenges that we are having is climate change, and so our people they cannot determine when it's going to rain. They depend on rain-fed agriculture, and so incorporating irrigation and water for production for animals is something that increases production.
Inguto harenguta yota kuraba. Nija kubahure. Amazing yako kushera irrigation. Nija kwane hwera abahinji kurga rain fed agriculture akaza ayo kumisira. Neza kuhereza inputs ibintu byo bakuhinga ensugo zo kuhinga. Neza kureta amashanyarazi agamaranga gizoba.
Twasubmitinga rehabilitation ya Rwamuganga Louise Masya Cyagwera Road. Eji project erimwe ngutu bwenu namboka mbicho igufu. Erimu microfinance ko beno yenda irrigation ko beno yenda ki nozo mu microfinance oyihamu sente bakuteraho ekimwe cya mukaga bwenu esente iwotaho binabyonga 40% bakuteraho 60%.
Byagamba omukanso ya Shema district omu rukiiko rwa kanso.
Kandi ejo project niza kwa ni kwatara abantu barugarama mostere abantu bari mu nshozi irashagiye ruhorobero akora ngo tubine access ya mizi, so ija kutuhereza mizi irrigation system.
But the phasing is dependent on
finances.
So far, how much have you received? You working?
So far we have received 200 million.
And what are the works for 200 million?
The 200 million, the works were preliminary works.
Bagira government yamazire kubaha miliyoni 200 mu cottage okutandika kukora.
I've seen so many successful fundraisings.
Yeah.
So Mama, do not hesitate to champion and fundraise such that our building is up. But government has so far put in its input.
By all means, and I think the signals from Kabar seem to indicate positivity. But what we are sure of is what we now have. We received that 200 million, all of it, we did not even subtract the shilling. We transferred it to UPDF.
Bwanyuma kanso yayanjurwa akakiiko ka District Service Commission akarukugaba emirimo mu district egi akarukwebemberwa Ernathan Mugasha. Gasha kwa Jonan Tusingwire na Michael Twachiri.